What's up guys, good to see you and welcome to today's video. So this is kind of an impromptu recipe video. The other day, Keto Chef Max came over and he cooked like this amazing salmon and Brussels sprouts dish because he knows how obsessed I've been with Brussels sprouts. Now your boy's just been cooking them in butter, adding salt and sauteing them. Keto Chef Max took the Brussels sprout game to the next level. So I invited him over here today to cook this Brussels sprout recipe again. So before we get started, I want to go over the necessary ingredients that you guys are gonna need, and we're gonna put the recipe, the instructions, and everything you need to know in the description below. Guys, actually before we get started, I wanna show you what Keto Chef Max is working on at the moment in the Keto Kitchen. This is a red cabbage cured Atlantic salmon. We are gonna smoke this in our new silverback grill. I cannot wait to try this.
All right guys, so I'm gonna show you all the ingredients that you're gonna need for this dish. You're gonna need some uncured bacon that we're gonna slice up, some Brussels sprouts, they're shaved, and we bought these from the store. They're prepped, ready to go, easy to use. Can't finish a dish off without any butter, so we're gonna add this at the end of sauteing so that they get nice and tasty and crispy. We have some Montchevre goat cheese, which is saltier, drier than normal goat cheese. And last but not least, pumpkin seeds, a good fat source for any keto diet. It's a seed, so it's a great alternative, and it's a complete protein.
All right guys, the bacon bits
And Brussels.
Dude, I love it. All right, so it's finished here. We're gonna do a little bit of a taste test, but Keto Chef Max dashed a little bit of salt on it.
Yeah.
All right, so I guess I'll go first. I already know this is amazing, guys. This is perfect as just like a good high-fat keto dish, to be honest with you, but of course, we paired it with salmon the other day. Phenomenal. The other day when we made it, I almost choked on a pumpkin seed. The other day when we made it, we did not add pumpkin seeds. So I'm anxious, that's a good little addition. I love goat cheese, man. Goat cheese is the most underrated cheese there is, for sure. It's so good. All right, guys, I love quick and easy keto recipes. Hopefully you guys try that. If you do, make sure you tag my man, Keto Chef Max. I'll put his Instagram in the description below. If you are not subscribed already, please do. We'd love to have you in the fam. As always, guys, keep up the good work and much love.